Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm back with another beautiful doll dress, and this time I'm making it with some gift wrapping paper. And yes guys, we all come across that situation when it's your birthday party and you receive a lot of gifts, but then you don't know what you actually can do and reuse these gift papers and make something really beautiful for your doll. So this time I'm going to show you how you can make a beautiful gorgeous gown, and that too the old used ones. So as you can see, I've just folded that into a square and then I'm just cutting the designs out of it. Once I'm done doing that, I'll make a hole in the middle, and that's how you can create your own layers for the gown. Okay, so that way you can make your own layers and each layer will get shorter. Once you're done doing that, you can just place them on top of each other one by one, and as you can see the hole is equal. So once these 4 layers are done, as you can see I'm making a gown of 4 layers. You can add more if you want. Now I'll just, after sticking them, I'll just cut it from this side. Now what I'll do is that, as you can see, this is the gown base I get for my doll. Now I'll take my doll and start making the top half. So I'll stick the gift paper again over here on the body. Then as a belt, I'll tie this another piece of gift wrapping paper, and this will make the dress look even more tight from there. Once that is done, let's make her wear the gown. So I'll just put it around the waist area. And so now I'll just take the back area and stick them together. Once that is done, let's just make these beautiful straps over here for the doll dress. And after that is done, let's take this pencil and this glitter foam sheet in silver color, and I'll just trace out this handmade design of some flowers, and then I'll cut it out. So after I get the cutout, I'll stick it over here onto the top. So now once that is done, let's make the hairs. So I know a lot of you are now familiar with how I make the hairs of my dolls, because I've made a quite lot of handmade dolls in my previous videos. You can go and check that out on my channel. So I'll just take a cardboard piece and I'll take wool over here. So I'll just take it and make a lot of covering over here for the hairs. So once I'm happy with the amount of the strands I've taken, I'll just use it and cut it out. Then I'll take this out of the cardboard. And I'll cut it from one end. So once I get this color of strand, now what I'll do is that I'll make the highlights for the hairs. So now I'll take my brush and I'll just brush out these so that it can give a poofy look. Then I'll take a lighter shade. It's basically some orange color wool, and I'll just use the same procedure and make another part of strands. Then I'll brush them out as well. So this time I'm going for highlighted hairs. You can just experiment using different colors. Once that is done, these two I get right now. Now I'll take tiny strands of them and I'll place them in order. after I'm done doing that, I'll take another piece of wool and I'll just place it over here and stick it. Then on top of the other, I'll just tie a knot here. Just to secure it in its place, I'll tie a knot. So this will be the hairs. So after doing that, I'll just brush them out again and remove the excess wool. Okay, so I'm done doing that. I'll just take my scissors and cut them out equally from both of the sides. So just to get rid of these uneven strands, I'll cut them out, and then what I'll do is that I'll start making the wig cap so that I can take off her hairs and just place it with another wig anytime I want. So I'll just take an aluminium foil, cover the head with it. After I'm done doing that, I can stick the hairs on top of the wig cap. And then you can use your fingers and just fold those beautiful strands. Then these are some red shoes which I made, and I'll just make her wear them, and ta-da guys, this is it. This was the final video. And did you ever think that you can actually reuse your gift papers and make a beautiful doll dress? No, right? So this is what I made, and it's just for you guys because you guys were asking for more designer dresses. And so guys, I made this. So this is the final video guys. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
I don't wanna take you home with me. You're playing, can't bother reading your message. No, I'm not here for your show, wasn't asking. But I've been quitting what you're taking. I've been sipping cause I'm making no regrets, I'm not insistent. Just gonna be what you were, I'm not missing you, yeah. I'm fucking down with all the shit you told me. Just to gratitude that I met you, damn you hold me down. My fortune's just been wasted, all gone.